Hi, Prayag Nation. How are you? Alright, family. Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walk to and Beyond. This is your host Nitin, and today marks the end of the 29th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge. Feeling really great about it. So, how you all doing? I see Vikram Rathi also joined. Hello, Vikram ji. How are you? So, I did 2 rounds. That's about it for today. So, I'm gonna go back and then have my remaining half papaya today. I had the half yesterday, so it's really good. Just don't have it, that or any melon, just before your workout, because it has a lot of water and you feel like going all the time. So that's it. So while I was here, when I started, today is Makar Sankranti, as we all know it. So I got a chance to visit a nearby temple also, and some other things. So it was a great day overall. So this is the first fifth week running, and so it's going to be almost a month, 30 days tomorrow. So feeling really excited that I've come this far. Yes, of course there have been hiccups and challenges, and there still are, but it doesn't stop me from keep going. So that's all the motivation I can give you right now. And so time to go back. So I'll continue the routine. There's 60 more days to go, like another 2 months. So yeah, that's about it. So it's almost mid-Jan. So how's New Year going for you guys? Let me know, in case any of you have planned or started walking or running, or in case you're thinking to build up a routine for yourself, then please do it right now. We can do it together. So in case you're doing that, you can post some pictures or just tag me, so that way we can create a ecosystem of a similar interest or like-mindedness. So that'll be a great motivational energy exchange, right? So if you haven't, or if you're thinking, then I'll suggest that you just start. There's no better time than right now. Trust me. Summers you're gonna have to be a little particular about timings or other things, because during the day you can still come, but it's gonna be really, really hard. So I suppose this is the best time. So that's all from my side from today. Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Har Har Mahadev. Bye bye.